guys, yung batis. Ayan do guys, ang ganda. Dito pwedeng maglaba. Ayan, oh, puntahan natin. Pari, pari, pari. Wag matagal ka na daw kailang laba-laba. Ay na, nagalis. Madulas. Ayan, ganda. Ayan, oh. Dito kami naglalaba, guys. Diyan, oh. Ayan. Ay, naku. Ayan, oh. Nature. Ay, madulas siya kahit ano. Ay, madulas. Saan ako pwede na maglakad? Mabilis. Oh, iinom siya, oh. Oh. Yan, Rambo. Roxy, oh. Iinom sila, guys. Oh, ang ganda. Ayan, pwede kami maglaba dito. Dapat dito ka sa maglaba kasi pag yan, yan, ang ganda. Wow, ang sarap, ang ganda maglaba. Ayan, oh, yan, dito pwede kang maglaba dito, guys. Yan. Yan, dito tayo dumaan o kanina, oh. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, kung may daan ng ubi. Yan, pwede kami maglaba dito, yan. Maganda, oh, maagos kahit isang beses ka lang magbanlang. Here. We're gonna walk here. See? Here we wash our clothes here. Ayan, oh, tignan mo, guys. Ayan, tahimik na tahimik. Ayan. Dito tayo din sa halaman. Malinis siya, guys. Talang, hindi pwede siya inumin. Ay, naku. Hindi ko pwede. Ayan, guys. Kung bakit pumunta tayo dito, guys, maghanap ng kabuti. Kabuti. Ayan. Ayan, ganda. Sarap mamuhay sa probinsya, no? Makatipid ka pa sa tubig. Libre pa ang kaya sa bahay. Uy. Ano ka? Ay, baka. Ay, may tuloy na. Nahuli na ako. Hey! Nahuli na ako. Kabuti, guys. Ayan, maliliit pa. Malapit. Ayan, mga kabuti. Oh, yan. Oh. ito guys, sapat sa pag-uus. Tanggalin. Oh, yan. Yan, kailangan lang tanggalin mga attach. Ayan. So, yan. Oh, yan. Yan. Yan, kabuti. Nakakuha na tayo guys. Mamaya baka napupunta na. Ay! Guys, tanggalin muna natin ito. Yan. Okay. Ayan, okay. Ayan, tanggalin mo. Ayan. Oops. Maliliit pa. Ayan. Ayan. Tingnan mo yung aso. Yan. Pag pumitlat, baka yan lalaki na yun. Kung punta tayo sa kabila. Dito ako kumuha ng kanina. Ayan. Taon. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ayan. Yung dito ko na. Ayan. Pwede sana ito. Kaya lang, hindi pwede na. Ito tayo sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan, ito yung nakuha ko guys. Tingin tayo dito. Tingin tayo. Ito. Tingin tayo. Ay, wala. Wala. Ay! Ayan, ito yun guys. Ayan. Oh. Hills yan, hills. Pag ganun. Ayan. Ito yung sinasabi kong sampalok. Hindi lang yung bunga. Aray. Ayan. Ito lang. Malapit lang dito yung bahay. Diyan lang yung bahay namin. Yung itong mahogany. Ay, yung kawan na yan. Sa side bahay na namin. Kaya malapit lang siya. Ayan. May naglalaba ata. Ayan. Ayan, papunta doon sa ilong doon. Nakatakot lang po. Sige. Ay, pwede ko siyang paliguan bukas yung aso ko. Diyan. Pwede ko silang paliguan bukas. Baka uulan ulit. Ay, maghugas na kami. Ang rambo. Di ba ito yung sinasabi namin kanina? Good boy. guys, napupusok lang yung pinakawalan natin. Ganun, nagbabati. Guys, yung mushroom at saka ito ayan, saka dahon sitaw, saka sitaw. Yan, magpapaano na yan. Kabuti.
Guys, we'll see you on the next video. Okay, now see here. This is today very nice one, fresh one. See here. Actually, this is which one? Like pumpkin flower, right? This one. And this one is the oong. Oong means in Ilocano it is mushroom.
Ang Ilocano,
Okay, see
mushroom.
here. Rosie only take in the here our house and they need to go outside the mountain. There only she take the uong, mushroom.
In Tagalog,
In Tagalog,
kabuti.
kabute. Okay, okay. See when I touch it, it's the same like a spongy. See here.
Otherwise,
Okay, see. I don't feel not too much It's nice but very sponge like feel, and it's very tasty, salty little bit. On this one, what is called like snake beans.
No, this is the turnips.
Turnips,
The
the
fruits.
one you take before. There. Okay, that is the one. See, inside you can
Singkamas.
see. And then this one, the some leaf,
What kind of leaf?
the pumpkin,
No, snake beans.
snake beans leaf. This one you can see when you touch it. So it is same like a outside. It's like a rash or something like that. Not that much fun. Okay, and see here the ong, and this one bangus fry. The skin I like to eat. And some chili.
One only.
One only. See, we don't have because it's and some mixed with the soy. I will eat with this one. Oh, ong, and then this one
How about the
pumpkin
flower?
flower. Okay, everything mixed together, and also soy. See here. Very tasty, very fresh today because not too much salt, just boil, put salt, some vinegar you put,
No, bago.
bagong,
That one is
fish sauce, same like that is bagong, yeah, they used to add, very tasty. And this one have too much bone, I will eat later. See here, fish. Okay guys, I hope everyone like this video because we need to finish up and Rosie is so hungry she will eat. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next sorry, we will see you on the next video. Bye, God bless everyone. Subscribe, comment and share our YouTube channel Two Hungry Travelers and Facebook Indianong Pinangoy new Facebook page, the old one Two Hungry Travelers. Follow and like, and bye. God bless everyone.